Welcome back, Ogity Bogities, to another Emily June video. Today what I'm going to make is simple, fluffy slime. One of the easiest slimes you can make. Let's get started with the ingredients we need. What you'll need first, glue, preferably Elmer's, an activator. What I normally use is either borax or contact lens solution. To make the borax water mix, what you'll need is half a tablespoon of borax and a cup of water. Next, this is optional, but it will make it more fluffy and it will work better. Shaving foam. The one that actually foams, not the creamy kind. What we'll need now is, you can choose this stuff is optional, really. You can do some glitter and color. As you can see, I really love slime. I have Ziplocs full of them. Yeah. So what you'll need to do first is get a bowl and a spoon and some glue, and just open the glue and just pour some in there. Depending how much glue you add, the more slime you get. I say this is about enough. Maybe one more squeeze. That's enough. It's a lot of slime. So you can either keep it white, you can keep it plain, or you can add some fun colors. I think I'll add yellow to this one. So I'll add around 3 drops to make it bright and colorful. And then I'll take some glitter. Glitter is optional, remember, and so is color. I think I'm out of yellow. We'll improvise. I'll add silver. It's not working either. I just want to add glitter. Because the silver and the gold aren't working. There we go. That's enough. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some shaving foam. It looks like whipped cream, but don't eat it. So next, what you're going to do is just stir it together. You'll make it like a nice glittery, fluffy thing. You can see those little specks, that's the glitter. Just fold it, squish it, stir it however you want. Like if you're adding that goopy stuff to Greek yogurt. Now what you're gonna want to do is, if it's not like colory enough, you can add a little more food coloring. I love colors. So I can just fold it in half, just mix it. Okay. That's enough. Now we're gonna add our activator. As you can see, this slime is already starting to come together. You'll need a little more activator, and you'll stir again. See, it's coming off of the walls. See? It's that big glob. I'm gonna add a little more activator. because I think it makes it less sticky. It's good enough. Okay, now get it into your hands and feel free to get messy. Just keep stretching it and folding it and stretching it and folding it until you get this fluffy, creamy stuff. You can see this. Sit on. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment below on what type of slime you want to see me make. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to Emily June slime videos and stuff. Bye. Oogity boogities. Where's that shampoo?